Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to add rainbow effect on CapCut video in PC. First you need to import your video to the timeline by clicking this plus icon. After that you need to click on the effects on the top menu bar, and in the video effects you need to type rainbow 2. Click enter. And here is the rainbow 2 effects, and if you want to rainbow 1 you need to click this arrow to download it first. Now drag it and place it on the timeline, and now play. You can also increase the speed of the rainbow. You can also play with the atmosphere and adjust according to your requirement. You can also adjust the textures. Play it how it looks. Yeah, it looks much better. You can also add rainbow 1 effect on your video by placing on the timeline, and we can also adjust the speed, atmosphere, increase the size where you want to place it. I want to place it on the sky, and here is the direction you can set, horizontal, or either you can adjust to the vertical. It's up to you. Just play it and you will find your desired results. And now play the video to check how it looks. Yeah, this is the rainbow 2 and this is the rainbow 1. So in this way you can easily apply rainbow effect on your video. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.